Oh! Oh! Oh!
Yeah. Oh. Pressure. Get back.
Hey, what's happening, y'all? This is Christopher Kid Reed from the group Kid and Play. I just had a wonderful session with Dr. G. Best chiropractor in the world to this day.
Back pain, neck pain, sciatica.
Back pain, neck pain, everything gone same. No, it was great. It was great. I needed it, you know, and I appreciate you, brother.
Yep, and you need it too.
You know you need it. All that stress in your life. He'll get you right. Pregunta. No.
Good deal. So we're gonna start just right here, okay? Just kind of relax, put a little pressure in.
Oh, my goodness.
You still with me, right? You good? There's a little more up this, right there. Go ahead and just kind of relax a little bit.
Oh!
Man.
Who shot you?
That was loud. All right, tell me if it's too much. Should be all right, though. Should feel good.
Oh.
All right, there's where it's the tightest, man.
Ay, caramba!
Man. Put it right there.
Oh, yeah.
So the muscles will be loose.
Yeah, my massive butt muscles. Yeah.
You actually don't have too much tension, man. You stretch a lot.
You ain't live with me, man.
You foam roll or stretch or what?
I don't do shit.
You don't do anything?
I smoke a lot of weed, homeboy.
You just have no stress.
Really?
Or you manage the stress level.
Yeah, good. Oh, yeah. Delicious pain, yes.
Yeah, it's actually not too bad. Come here, put a little pressure. A little bit.
Oh!
Good. Flip over on your back now. Now we're gonna cross this arm over this one. Grab that one over this one.
That one over this
So
one.
like, here you go. I'll help
Oh,
you.
like
There
this.
you go. There you go. I need a little bit of leverage. Yeah.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh.
Good. Woo. Man, let's turn this way towards me. Let's relax and put a little pressure. Good. Let's turn the other way. Hold that shoulder back. Good. Lay on your back now. Face up. Give it a little pull here. Good. Oh, man. That's it, man. Come on up. Tell the camera how you feel, man.
I feel great.
Perfect. Cool.